G'day guys, welcome to the video. PK and I, we're here in Port Douglas. We thought we'd come and stay a couple of nights in a cabin here just so we can check out the Daintree, Cape Tribulation. So we're going to cross the ferry early tomorrow morning and have a look over that side. We're heading out for dinner tonight. Apparently there's a special on barramundi, so we're going to have a good feed tonight and take off early in the morning. Cheers.
Cheers. Very much.
That's alright, looks alright, eh? Yeah.
We tell stories so grand, this vast timeless land, and they call it Sunday with Mac. Good morning,
What else are you going to listen to on a Sunday morning? We're on the way to the Daintree Ferry to check out Cape Tribulation. G'day, how you going?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, not too bad.
One return?
Yes, return, yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks very much.
Thanks very much.
Stop waving us on, yeah. How you
Morning.
going?
It's only going to be the three of us.
Hey,
We're closing it.
we're heading into.
Welcome to the Daintree Ferry. For your safety, please remain in your vehicle, turn your motor off and engage your handbrake. Thank you.
Any crocodiles over your side?
Oh God, I hope not. Although it would be nice to see one
Would be nice to see one, yeah.
from a distance. Thank you.
Thanks, mate. Cape Tribulation on the beach.
Oh, they got vinegar. in
Vinegar just in case of the stingers.
there. Oh wow.
Yeah, well, not great weather for it. It just won't stop raining. go at this tree, wow. Great big paper bark. Wow. A little island out there. I'd love to kayak over there and camp overnight on that. It's probably a nicer beach than Cape Trib. Nice spot just down the way here. We're going to have some lunch. It should be over there, yeah. Nice seat. Didn't think they're a better spot. Oh, there's a few marsh flies around. Yeah.
What that was. Good job. Well done.
Good if we could have gone over to the island and had it.
Okay, Gilligan.
Okay guys, that's Port Douglas and the Daintree done. We've packed up, we've left Port Douglas, and we're here in Cairns again on our way back to Joe's place. Just meeting a couple of friends here for lunch, and I'll take the opportunity to end the video here. Thanks very much for watching if you're still watching, and take care. I'll see you on the next video. Cheers guys.